Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how basically you can export multiple images inside your PDF document, and basically you can apply filters and effects you can apply here. You can see this is the blur effect. You will be able to blur your images which are inserted inside the PDF document. Nobody can see it, so that you can basically change this blur level accordingly inside the code. You can even rotate the images. You can see you can even rotate these images like this. You can apply all sort of effects. You can change the brightness, contrast level, opacity, all this stuff. You can do that and export all your images, multiple images which are present inside the directory directly to the PDF document. And for this dependency, guys, we are using this package, which is the Node.js package, which is called as FilePix. It's a very new package in the market. It is just 5 days ago it is released. So I just wanted to make a video on this. 95 weekly downloads are there. So I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of the video. I've written a complete detailed step-by-step blog post where I've given all the source code of this application. So I will use this code in this video. So now let's get started by building this application. The very first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to make sure that you make a Node.js project. Inside this npmi filpix, this is basically the dependency which is needed for this application. So simply install this dependency by this command. And now, guys, what we need to do is that inside your directory, root directory, just make a folder where all the images are present. This is my first image, second image, third image, fourth image. So you don't need to rename like this. Basically, the images, all the images that you need to export must be present inside any directory. You can name this directory anything if you want. Now I will start this process. So the very first thing we will do, guys, we will import this package. We will require this package FilePix. And now, guys, this package has a method which we can use. If you see FilePix, basically it has this method, guys. It basically supports very different methods. You can even convert your PDF to Word document, PNG to JPG. But in this specific video we will talk about how to convert your images to PDF. So we will use this method, which is image to PDF. And guys, inside this method you need to basically provide the directory. So wherever it takes two options here. First is basically the pages options. So pages is nothing but basically the number of images that are present. So if you go to my blog post, I've given this code here. So pages basically refers to the directory wherever all your image files are present. So I will say /uploads. So inside my uploads directory, you will see all the images are present. So I need to export all these images. And now the second argument will be the output option. So output option, guys, simply means that whatever output that you need to give your output file. So I can give any name. Let's suppose I say result.pdf. So now if I run this code, guys, automatically we'll see that if I now run this application node index.ge, it will take some time, and now it will create this result.pdf file. And if I basically open this file, guys, inside my Google Chrome, you will see all these images. This is the first page. It takes the full size image. You will see full space. This is the second page. This is basically the third page, and this is the fourth page. And basically all the images are inserted successfully. And now the fun part begins, guys. Basically you can just export images to PDF, but the nice thing is that now you can apply some filters. So for applying the filters, guys, it's very easy. You need to basically make a options object here. So this options, basically you can merge multiple effects as you want. If you want to merge multiple effects, you can even do that. I have given that example as well. So let's suppose you want to basically apply a filter. So basically it contains this effects. You need to say effects is basically an array, and here the first effect that I need to apply here, guys, this effect basically it takes an object. You need to basically give a name property of the effect. So this will be color effect, and inside this color effect, guys, you can basically apply a config here, and this basically it's an object containing the information about whatever that you need to apply. So you will see that this config simply means a array of values. Sorry, this is an array, not an object. So here we are applying green color. You can even apply red color. Let's suppose I change to red here, and then params is 100. So now if you reload this application, guys, what will happen if I again execute this command? So now if you see your result, guys, it will be slightly different. If you see your result inside Google Chrome, all the images will have a red ting factor. Let me just see what has happened. Let me execute this once again. Let me close this. Uh, Let me change the file name, guys. Sometimes that can happen. Let me change it to result2. So now you can see result2 is there. If I open this, let me change this to green. I think some colors are not supported. That's why you will see only a few colors are supported. Let me open this now. Uh, I don't know, guys, why it is not working here, but if you see in the blog post, I have shown you this effect also. If you check my blog post, that effect was just 2 minutes back, it was working, but I think why it is not working. Let me just paste this code here once again. Sometimes it can happen. I am missing some kind of mistake here happening. Let me just refresh it. So now you will see it will create this output file. If I reload this, open with Google Chrome, and now you can see that, guys, basically green filter is applying to all the images that you see right here, guys. So a green filter is applied here. So this is really important if you want to edit your images. Let's suppose before printing it, you need to basically color your images, something like this. And nice thing, you can basically change this color from red to green. And once again, if you run this, if you again open this, now you can see red color is applied here. You will see. So you can basically change the color of images inside the PDF document, guys, for completely free. So this is not a paid feature that you need to use a Adobe Acrobat for doing this. And similarly, guys, if you want to rotate these images, you can also use this code. Let's suppose I want to rotate the images. So what I will do is that I will simply add this object right here. Just put a comma and just put this. So now the name will be rotate, and here inside config here you need to give it an angle. I need to rotate the pages by 45 degree. So what it will do, guys, it will rotate each page of the PDF document an image by 45 degree. So size will slightly increase by applying more filters. You will see that the pages will rotate here 45 degree here. You will see that you can change to any angle. Let's suppose I change to 90 degree. So as you add more filters, guys, the size will increase. So you just need to make sure that you can see that. And then, guys, we have the blur filter as well. So now you can even have a blur filter. Just put a comma, sorry, here. And then we have this and here basically you can give, if you check my blog post, this is the blur factor, and inside the config here, guys, this is basically an object, and here you need to give the pixels value. So recommended value will be only 2 because it will blur the image completely if you provide higher value. So it is saying that some kind of error take place. Let me see, just wait. Sorry, let me just do this once again. Just wait. This is an object, this is an object. We paste it here. So it will take some time, guys. If you apply these much of filters, you will see size has increased to 583 kilobytes. So now you can see that, guys, basically some kind of error has taken place. You can see if you apply more filters, it will basically do that. So I will not recommend that you merge all these filters. You can just remove this color filter, and then if you do that, you will be able to. Sorry, pixels level was so high. That's why. So just change this pixel value to only 2, guys. That's why that error take place. So you only need to have two filter value. So if you see 394 kilobytes the size, and now you can see that slightly the images are blurred. You will see that. And in this way, guys, you can apply all the filters. You can read the documentation I have shown you in the blog post also. These are the notable features: rotate, blur, and flipping the image. You can also horizontally, vertically flip the image as well. You can even change the brightness as well. So all these filters you can apply. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next one.